Pogo App. Earn cash and save automatically. The Pogo app helps you earn cash from everyday habits by linking your bank account and credit cards. Purchases like coffee, gas, or groceries automatically earn points. 1,000 points equals $1, redeemable via Venmo, PayPal, or gift cards. You can also earn by sharing location data, completing surveys, or letting Pogo scan emails and receipts. Online shopping through referral links adds bonus points too. Security is strong with 256-bit SLL encryption and Plaid integration. Beyond earning, Pogo searches for ways to lower monthly bills, insurance rates, and bank fees, helping you save money automatically. While earnings are slow, enough for small treats rather than major expenses, the app rewards passive engagement and simplifies financial perks. Pogo makes money by selling aggregated, anonymized data and partnering with retailers, so privacy is a key consideration. Users must decide if sharing purchase and location history is worth the benefits. In summary, Pogo is ideal for earning and saving small amounts from things you already do. It combines automatic cashback, savings tools, and a simple interface, but comfort with sharing personal data is essential. For those okay with it, Pogo turns routine spending into easy rewards while uncovering hidden savings opportunities. And that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.